Now, I know you guys didn't really care about that last episode. It was cool, but not that cool. I want to see the engine in the car. So, here we are today. Towed the car in. I got a few more things I got to put together on the engine, and then we'll be taking the hood off and putting that bad boy in. Time has come. The time has come. So what I'm doing right now is just getting all like the little parts and pieces on the intake manifold on things that might be kind of a pain in the butt to reach when, you know, engine's in the car. So I got a new oil pressure sensor, got all my vacuum fittings, brackets, another vacuum fitting, new temp sensor. I need to get a new thermostat, and apparently that paint color I used is different, so I better change that. Not that that matters, but anyway, kind of just getting this thing a little bit more ready to go. I'm probably going to put my power steering bracket and my alternator bracket. Kind of put that stuff in there too. So little pieces right now before the exciting part. Alright, so instead of trying to bolt it all together, we went ahead and got the bell housing on first, and then we'll put that. And then put on the alternator. Had to make a little bracket, I was missing one. Try putting on the power steering pump, but the bracket I have does not appear to be correct, so we'll worry about that later, I guess. No power steering. Anyways, time to marry this bad boy and see what we can do. Thanks to my experienced Ford technician, we have quite the shindigaroo. Alright, we're gonna get this thing out of the way, bring the car in, gotta prep up a few things. But it's about time to drop it in. Oh yeah. Let's get this thing in. Woof, woof. Alright, last time, this is not gonna have an engine in it, for God's sakes. Let's get this thing in. We've got everything ready to go. I did undo my e-brake cable. We got the car jacked up. Hopefully it's enough. Let's go. About time we got some real help around here. Yeah. Look. Alright. We're going to go ahead and I guess hop over here and we'll start the tilting process. Look, my your motor's going in your car. Finally, oh good. Okay, stop. We're going to go ahead and move it back a little bit. Don't have just. Okay, go ahead and start tilting. Yep. Sitting on top of this toolbox. Here you go. Yeah, it's right there. You want to watch the engine? Can't see it here, so. keep going backwards all day long. Alright, stop. Yours in?
Yeah, mine is.
Ooh, baby. Give me a smackaroo too.
You have to spit on it to go in the hole.
Yeah, I need a little bit more of a schmackaroo. Hey, you scuffed up my oil pan, bro.
I didn't do it.
Okay, let's get a 9/16 oven oven so I can thread it in maybe. Not too sure what's happening here.
Fuck.
If you want to go back, just don't tell me that you still.
Yeah, the 9/16 wrench should be with it.
Oh yeah.
Dirty blonde. I never
Right
did.
hair,
My
blue eyes.
You might just have blonde hair for now. When I was a baby, I had blonde hair till I was 4, and then it turned dark brown.
Curious what kind of tournament it is, because there's so many different formats.
I want to see if I can see using standard frequency games.
Probably not standard. But that's the only question I have.
Whew, all right, look at that. It is in, it is in, it is in. And what I've been working on is getting all of my Z-bar stuff all figured out. Let's climb under here, shall we? Okay. There we go. Been working on that, getting that working. Now the clutch pedal's in. Got my steering lockout hooked up here. So Jordan is working on getting the shift boot on. I got the lower shift boot on. And we're just making our connections while the car's jacked up. Well, that about does it for this episode. I am on my way home. The engine is in. Let's see, I got my clutch hooked up. A couple other miscellaneous things hooked up. I think if all goes well, I should hopefully have a drive shaft by the end of the week, as well as a carburetor. Got a little bit of plumbing to do. The biggest thing I need to figure out is my power steering bracket. Something wasn't right there. So we should be running soon. I think what we'll probably do is hang tight, and then the next episode will be when we are in the process of trying to get it started up for the first time. So thanks for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed this one. I know I did. I'm tired. Been working probably 8 hours. Very helpful to have Jordan there with me today, and my brother stopped by for a quick bit too. And of course, Weston and Sarah came by. And yeah, so I think we're just gonna carry on, do what we do, and hopefully this thing is running by the end of the month. All right, guys, thanks a lot for everything. If you have any questions, feel free to make some comments, and I'll try and answer them as much as I can. This was definitely a huge learning experience for me. I've never done this before, as far as dropping an engine like that. I work on boats all day long, but not cars. So anyways, we'll catch you next time.